Welcome to spring. I love September. Well, yes, all right, it's because it's my birthday month, but I just love September because of its newness and the energy that that spring energy brings. And that is happening here in Balance Central. So I'm really excited that, okay, the very top of my list excitement for this coming month is that level 11 for raw. So if you've worked with me before, you know that we have 10 levels in this technique that I use, but level 11 is actually now being released and I will have it at the end of this month, which means at the beginning of October, it's available to you. Oh, I'm so excited. I have been waiting for 6 years for this, so I am thrilled that I finally get to be able to offer this to you through Balance Central. Yay for level 11. Okay, that's number one, excitement out of the way. Number two is that I have a few speaking opportunities that have come my way for September, and I'm thrilled to be doing those. One is at a networking event, and the other one is at a conference. So, yay for that, more of those. And I just love that I still continue to work with my awesome clients, particularly the ones who are doing Unlock Your Power. I have a number of people doing that, and it is amazing to watch the reveals and the awarenesses and the calmness that is entering people's life by doing Unlock Your Power program. So September is going to be a fantastic month. I am so thrilled that I get to share this with you every month, and I can't wait till October because then I get to share level 11 with you. Little bit excited. All right. I hope you have a fantastic month ahead. I know I will, and I will see you on the 1st of October.